Welcome back. This is an Aleks homework video on multiplication and division of measurements. If you remember from addition and subtraction, you have to have the same units in order to add them. You can't add grams to milliliters. You'd have to have everything in one unit, and as long as you can get it in one unit, you can add them. If you have something that has prefixes, you're going to have to put them both in one of them in one prefix, convert them into one prefix, and then add them together. It's a little easier when you're multiplying because you can have units that are compound units as well. So for instance, in this example, you've got centimeters and meters and you're dividing them. Well, this one's very simple because you could turn centimeters into meters, or you could turn meters into centimeters. If I were doing this one, since centimeters are on top, I probably would put the result in centimeters. But as long as they're both the same, you could cancel them out. So is it possible? Yeah, this one's possible because they both could be put into, in order to divide, I'm going to have to cancel out. Otherwise, I'm going to get a unit like a centimeter divided by a meter, which is weird. So let's put them both in the same one. So let's put them both into centimeters. The top one is 20 centimeters. I'm going to do it twice because I know I'm going to have to cancel in a second. So square centimeters is centimeters times centimeters. And then I want meters in centimeters. All right, so I've got up here 0.2 meters. And in 1 meter, there's 100 centimeters. So I'm going to multiply by 100. So 0.2 times 100 is 20. Okay, so I'm going to end up with 20 on the bottom. Meters will cancel. I'm now in centimeters. So I have centimeters times centimeters on the top, centimeters on the bottom. 1 will cancel with 1, leaving 1 on the top. 20 cancels with 20, leaving 1. And so your result's going to be 1.0 meters. Okay, so with significant figures, I've got 2 significant figures here. I've got 2 significant figures here. So my answer has to be in 2 significant figures. So 1.0. When I have this, which looks weird, I've got grams times milliliters. I can have a unit that's a gram milliliter, a gram times a milliliter. So that's actually simple. I don't have to change. I can't change a gram into a milliliter anyway. So it's going to be a gram milliliter. That will be my units. And then this is simply going to be the number I multiply by. So when you're multiplying, you're looking at this number of significant digits, 2, this number of significant digits, 2. So your answer has to be in 2. So 3 times 3 is 9. 2 significant digits is going to be 9.0 gram milliliter. Gram times milliliter. Here I've got milligrams and grams. This is one where essentially it needs to cancel. So I need them to both be in one or the other. I would pick the milligram since it's listed first. I don't know whether others would do that. I would. So I'm going to put both of them in milligrams. So let's change this one. So 0.028 grams. Gram is bigger than milligram. So in 1 gram, there's 1,000 milligrams. So grams will cancel. My answer is in milligrams. I'm going to take this number and multiply it by 1,000. So I'm going to move this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So my answer is 28. But I want the lower number of significant digits. So there's 2 significant digits here. There are 2 significant digits here. Okay. So, sorry, I have to multiply by 2. So it's 28 multiplied by 2. So your answer is going to be 56. And that's significant digits. And it's going to be milligrams times milligrams So milligrams times milligrams is square milligrams. Okay. Hope this helps.